Dreaming of launching your own travel agency, but feeling stuck by expensive tech hurdles and endless design challenges? This is your sign to leap into the future of travel entrepreneurship for just $99. This state-of-the-art 2030 styled website is your all-in-one solution to dominate the industry from day one picture. This a sleek, ultra-modern platform that screams professionalism with its cutting-edge design, crisp visuals, and seamless animations that make every click feel like a journey to a new destination, built with pixel-perfect responsiveness. It adapts flawlessly to every device. Whether your clients are scrolling on smartphones, browsing on tablets, or planning trips on desktops, they'll experience the same immersive interface that keeps them hooked and ready to book. Now let's dive deeper into what makes this website a game changer. The homepage welcomes visitors with a dynamic slideshow of high-definition images from Bali's golden beaches to Iceland's northern lights, paired with bold headlines that sell the dream of endless adventure. The About page tells your unique story, building trust and connection, while the Services section breaks down your offerings, whether it's luxury cruises, budget backpacking tours, or family-friendly escapes, all illustrated with vibrant photos that teleport viewers straight to Parisian cafes, African safaris, or Tokyo's neon-lit streets. The Packages page lets you bundle deals with irresistible discounts displayed alongside crisp itineraries and glowing client testimonials. The blogs are your secret weapon. Here you can publish travel guides, packing tips, or behind-the-scenes stories of local cultures, boosting your SEO and positioning you as an expert. The Contact Us page is streamlined for instant communication with embedded forms, social media links, and a live chat option so clients never hesitate to reach out. And the Book Now page is where magic happens. Integrated booking systems let travelers reserve flights, hotels, or full packages in just a few clicks with secure payment gateways and instant confirmation emails. But this website isn't just about looks. It's a growth machine. Customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand with a user-friendly dashboard that requires zero coding. Skills swap images seasonally to highlight summer vacations, winter getaways, or festival specials, and expand your services as your business scales, adding new destinations or exclusive partnerships without breaking a sweat. The blog isn't just for SEO, it's a storytelling hub. Share customer success stories, like the couple who renewed vows in Santorini, or the solo traveler who found peace in the Himalayas, to build emotional connections and loyalty. And let's talk tech. This platform is future-proof with regular updates to keep you ahead of trends, automatic backups to safeguard your data, and analytics tools to track traffic bookings and client behavior, so you know exactly what's working and what's not. Plus, with mobile-first optimization, your website loads in a blink, even on slow connections, ensuring you never lose a client to a competitor's sluggish site. Now, here's the best part. For $99, you're not just buying a website, you're investing in a 24/7 salesperson that works while you sleep. Imagine waking up to booking notifications from around the globe, while your stunning platform showcases the Amazon rainforest at dawn, or Dubai's skyline at dusk, all while you sip coffee and plan your next big marketing move. But wait, there's more. This deal includes a free 1-hour setup guide to get you started, plus lifetime access to a library of royalty-free travel images and videos, so you never run out of visual fuel. And if you're worried about competition, don't be. This website is designed to make you stand out with parallax scrolling that adds depth, interactive maps that let clients explore destinations, and even a virtual tour feature that gives a sneak peek into hotels or cruise ships. The clock is ticking, though this exclusive $99 offer won't last forever. Every minute you wait is a minute your competitor could be snatching up clients with their own sleek site. So why let them steal your spotlight? Grab this deal now and launch your travel agency today with a platform that's ready to scale, as bold as your ambitions and as limitless as the destinations you'll offer the world. Is craving adventure, and your website is the bridge between dreams and reality. Hit buy now, and let's turn your travel business vision into a legacy. Your journey starts here.
Thanks for watching. Do follow Code with Bitwizards on all social medias. Also, if you want to purchase this website, contact me through Contact Now.